welcome or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about fashion, as most especially bags, travels, and just random blogs. So if you guys are into this type of video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I also do post twice a week, so please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post new video. Let's get started. So for today's video is we are gonna do an Aliexpress unboxing. So I just got this package just now, so I'm so excited to show this to you guys. So let's open it up together. So are you guys ready? So I got this in two different sizes. So the first item that I'm going to show you is, let me just pull it out. So this is the first item and this is the second one. So here are the two items in here. Can you guys guess what are these two items right here? I might just have to do is kind of off camera because I know it's gonna take a while, because for sure there's a lot of wrappings in here. So just give me a second. So here are the two bags for here. I guess you guys can already see what bags I've got, and I got this in two sizes. I got one in size 22 and I got one in size 25. And these these bags are all inspired bag or dupe bag. It means it doesn't have any logo on the bag. It's just the look. So it also came with two twillies as well, which is so nice for the seller to kind of include this in here. It's so beautiful. So I have one in kind of looks like I can't even kind of explain this one. It looks like a horse, but it looks like a cow at the same time. I don't know, probably it's just me. And this one is, it's just all horses, which is really nice of them. So the first bag is this bag is really cute. So let me just smell, just want to make sure, because if it's real leather. So this one is made of real leather. I can tell you guys right now, this one is made of real leather. It's really nice. I really love it. So this is in I'm not sure, to be honest. It looks like a nata color. It kind of looked like a mix of yellow and white. So I would say this is a nata color in Hermes color wheel. Please don't quote me on that one because I'm not really sure. And because this is the first time I see this color and I really love it. And this is what the bag looks like on the inside. It also came with two straps. So the first strap is this one is kind of make like a fabric strap, and the second one, it's just a regular strap. So this one is not adjustable, as you guys can see in here. It's really cute. I really love it. As you guys can see in here, like I said, it doesn't have any logos in there. It's just an inspired bag. So this is in size 22. It also has the 4 feet. It has this triangular shape in here, and this one is on the Ciliere stitching, which is I really love. And let me just show you the next item that I've got. And this one, I'm so excited because this is gonna be my first bag on this size. I already have my 22, I already have my 28, but this is the first time I have this on this particular size. I got this one just to kind of test it out because I don't have any Kellys in size 25 yet. So the item that I'm gonna show you is right here. Oh my god, I already pulled it out. Anyway, this is in a taupe color. and I really love this one. Let me just smell. So this one is made of real leather too. Ah, that's nice. And for the price of this one, I got it on really cheap on Aliexpress. And the piping and the stitching on this bag is really well made. I'm really impressed with this one. And the hardware are good. This one is in gold hardware, and let's see what it looks like on the inside. Like I said, this is my first Birkin, not Birkin, this is my first inspired carry in size 25. And this is what the bag looks like on the inside. It does have a zipper pocket in here. It doesn't have the logo as well, which I really love. And this one also came with strap and and a clochette. That's nice. Oh, I really love this. Here is the lock right here, and also came with this clochette right here, like the bell. And this one is made of one full leather, which is really nice. And the good thing is with this one, the strap is adjustable, so it doesn't says Hermes on the hardware or anywhere on that. What I really love with this one is the strap is adjustable, so you guys can adjust it on how long you want it. I'm really impressed with this product. It's really nice. I really like it. It also came with this one, like the leather sample, but I can tell you right now, this is made of real leather. It also has the 4 feet in here, and pretty much that's it. And here is what the bag looks like. So this is the size 22, and this is the size 25. And I love both colors. And I think that should be it for today. Sorry, it's just a short video because I'm just excited to show this to you guys. And as you guys can see at the top of my shelves right here is I've been using my other color as well, which is the yellow and the light blue one, and of course my YouTube Birkin. So thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.